ये क्या हो गया? Arctosian. This is what? It is including this region also, and then Ethiopian, Oriental. Yes or not? And then Malagasy. Neosian. And Neosian is this. Neotropical. And Notosian, Australia and Oceania. ये सारा ओशियन का रीजन, आइलैंड. अंडरस्टूड इट? ऑस्ट्रेलिया एंड न्यूजीलैंड, ऑस्ट्रेलिया न्यूजीलैंड. समझ में आ गया? द मैप ऑफ द वर्ल्ड में, विच इज आई सेड दैट कार्ल पी स्मिथ. कार्ल पी, this is, and this is a Neosian, and this is, I said that, Notosian. Understood it? Clear? So, flora king, sorry, I said that animal kingdom or fauna, animal kingdom. Who has given earlier? Russell Wallace. And then Wallace has given, yes, tell me what? First इन्होंने क्या बोला? फटाफट बोले. Nearctic, Palearctic, Nearctic, Palearctic, Neotropical, Ethiopian, ओरिएंटल, ऑस्ट्रेलिया. ओरिएंटल और ऑस्ट्रेलिया के बीच में वैलेस बनाया गया बाउंड्री. एंड देयर आफ्टर आई सेड, इसी का मॉडिफाइड, इट इज गिवन इन 1876, मॉडिफाइड इन 1954, कार्ल पी स्मिथ, एंड ही हैज गिवन, यस, आर्क्टोसियन, Neosian, another I said that, Notosian. Understood? Now on the basis of climate and on the basis of temperature, on the basis of climate, I said that climate में again, यहाँ climate नहीं है वही जैसे वहाँ पे moisture देखा था, same way it is climate. Stenohygric, hygroscopic समझते हैं ना? Stenohygric and Fleurhygric, which are the two I said that? Stenohygric, Fleurhygric, which are the what I said that? Yes. और स्टेनोग्राफर, यदि आपके यहाँ ऑफिस में स्टेनोग्राफर आप उसको तंग करोगे तो वो फ्लाई हो जाएगी. क्लाइमेट उसको अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. सो क्लाइमेट अच्छा नहीं था तो स्टेनोग्राफर ने क्या छोड़ दिया? स्टेनोहाइग्रिक. एंड आई सेड दैट फ्लेर हाइग्रिक. Stenohygric, I said that in this condition there is a narrow zone of moisture where the animal can sustain. यहाँ पर narrow and यहाँ पे क्या है? Wider. Means different kind of moisture में भी I said that steno means I said that where the animals can tolerate only narrow micro. I said that क्या है? Moisture. Means थोड़ा सा ज्यादा moisture change and more moisture increase, the less moisture decrease, then animals will not sustain. So which one I said that? Narrow moisture and this is a wider, they can, what is in a tolerate? More wider moisture range. Understood? Narrow moisture range and wider moisture range. So Fleurhygrics are the animals who can tolerate wider moisture range, and then steno it is less narrow. And on the basis of temperature, same way, stenothermal, another I said eurythermal. Steno means narrow temperature range that animal can tolerate, and eurythermal means wider thermal range. Understood? Eurythermal, and in this one stenothermal it has been converted into thermophilia, and another said that cryo का word जानते हैं? Cryogenic engine, temperature is very low. Cryophilia. Some of the animals cannot sustain below 20 degrees Celsius. It is known as thermophilia. Yes, the animals which cannot sustain, like our coral reefs, yes or not, they cannot sustain below 20 degrees Celsius. And then cryophilia, which can sustain near 0 degrees Celsius, not higher temperature. Cryophilia. And cryophilia, like I said, that salmon fish, seal fish, and then we have seen क्या देखते हैं, penguin and all. Yes, they can sustain near 0 degrees Celsius, and if it will come, polar bear and all. Getting my point? यदि हम लोग polar bear इंडिया में लाके रखते हैं, तो we'll have to put into the zoo, then the particular temperature they will have to maintain. Yes. Getting my point? So on the basis of temperature, stenothermal, and then I said that eurythermal. Stenothermal means narrow temperature zone में they can sustain. Tolerate can narrow temperature zone, and eurythermal wider temperature zone. Understood? So we can be able to see stenothermal animals, and these animals can survive only in certain range of specific temperature. Thermophilia and cryophilia. Understood? I said that. And eurythermal animals, this include the species that tolerate wide range of temperature. Understood it? Clear? So these are the, which I said that, terrestrial animal kingdom. Understood? कौन सा देखा? Valleys, carp fish meat, temperature, climate. Understood? और उससे फ्लोरा किंगडम में हमने देखा रोनाल्ड गुड, टेम्परेचर, मॉइस्चर. यस, ये 7 चीजों के बार बार आपको रिवाइज करना है. ये वर्ड्स बार बार रिवाइज करोगे तो थिंग्स विल ऑटोमेटिकली कम इन योर माइंड, एंड यू आर स्टडिंग सो मेनी एनिमल्स. यहाँ पे ऐसे एनिमल्स होते हैं, स्लोली यू कैन रिमेंबर इट. आई सेड दैट इट विल बी स्लोली. आई सेड दैट यू कांट डू इट. आज ही एनिमल्स देख लिया जाके, मस्क डियर, ओके, मस्क ऑक्स, सॉरी, एंड देन पोलार बियर तो सभी जानते हैं, रोडेंट्स वो देख लो जाके, माउस, रेड टाइप, ओके, म्यूल. तो जब व्हेन यू आर वाचिंग समथिंग, देन गूगल में देखा, एंड देन यू हैव मेक एन पिक्चर इन योर माइंड, उठाकर पेस्ट भी कर लो इन योर पेज. सो आई सेड दैट. So first one, I am going to start with the floristic kingdom. In the floristic kingdom, I said that Ronald Good, and I said that Ronald Good has given us क्या दिया था हमें? Phytochronic. On the basis of phytochronic, he has talked about some particular plant species, similar character on the basis of generic species, and generic endemic, species endemic, and what I said, that high degree of family endemism. Understood? And they have talked about first Ronald Good, and he said Holarctic, Neotropical, Paleotropical, and South Africa, Australia, and Antarctic. Thereafter, on the basis of temperature, we have seen megathermal, mesothermal, microthermal, and ectothermal. Understood? On the basis of humidity and moisture we have seen. Moisture के basis पे कौन कौन सा देखा है? Tell me first. Moisture basis, hydro, क्या क्या? Hydrophatic and mesophatic, and then tropophatic and neurophatic. On the basis of हमने क्या देखा? And then animal kingdom Wallace and Carr. And then Wallace के लिए हम लोगों ने find किया. Wallace will be the first one who has given in 1876. In 1876 he talked about what? Nearctic, Palearctic, and thereafter we have seen below if it is Neotropical, Ethiopian, Oriental, and कौन सा? Australia. Understood it? And then we have been able to see Carl P. Smith, who has divided into what I said, that Arctosian, Neosian, and then Notosian. Understood? On the basis of temperature we have seen stenothermal, eurythermal, and under the stenothermal thermophilic, and then I said cryophilic. And on the basis of climate we have been able to see which one? Stenohagric and not cryo, Fleer hagrid. Okay, no? So we have finished with this plant kingdom and all. So your biogeography has been finished. एक deforestation वो लोग आप लोग पढ़ लीजिएगा. Tomorrow we will start with environment and ecology. Okay, no? So we will meet.